Yeah, empty bottles of red wine laying on the floor from last night. We got a little drunk, yeah. Now I'm a little numb.
So guys, a lot of you been commenting on my hair on YouTube and on Instagram. People keep on asking me if my hair is naturally gray or if I color my hair. A lot of people keep on asking me if I colored my hair, but my hair is naturally gray. And so I decided to make a video of my hair process also, because some of you think my hair is pretty. So guys, I start by removing the braids I have been having in my hair, because most of the time my hair is in these braids, because I have no time to take care of my hair every day or wear my hair out every day. So I start by removing the braids and removing any knots that might be in the hair before I do the detangling. So that's what I start by doing, and my hair is a little bit, it's not so much tangled when I've had it in braids like this. It's a little bit stretched out, but it would have been very, very detangled. It would have been very, very tangled if I just had it in I worn it out in a puff or something like that. So having my hair in braids kind of helps to keep it untangled. And then I go ahead and I use a conditioner. For this part, I don't care so much what kind of conditioner I use, but I love this Tresemme conditioner. You can find it everywhere. Anybody can get this anywhere they are. When I was home in my country in Africa, in Uganda, I saw they had it in many shops, so most people can get this, and you can actually use this for your deep conditioner also if you can't afford other deep conditioners. So I've been using this actually for many years, and I like the blue one because I think it says it's hydrating. They have very many different types. I think they have a green one, and they even have shampoos. I actually think the product is very good. So I start by doing that. I apply a lot of conditioner on this part. I don't save on conditioner, and that's why I like using a conditioner that's not expensive. And this big bottle takes me a long way. I put really enough in order to detangle my hair without it breaking, and also to make it easier on the process. So a lot of conditioner on this part. So when I'm done applying, I comb my hair very gently. I like to work in parts, because if I don't work in parts, then my hair is going to get tangled. So I put this in braids here. So I put it in braids and I add on my clips for easy working. I have many different hair products, but some of my favorites are from Miele products. These are the products that I'll be going back to all the time, and I'll leave the links somewhere. And before I go into the bathroom, I need my 2 combs and my clips. I need those in the bathroom. And another favorite of mine is that shampoo there. I'll leave the name. So these products I always go back to if I need something or if my hair is suffering. I always go back to these products. and one is a protein conditioner and one is just a hydrating conditioner. So I did not show the process here putting in the shampoo, but this is just after the conditioner. I'm just combing out the conditioner I put in to detangle, and after that I'll just shampoo the hair. As you can see, my hair is really nicely detangled. Sometimes adding deep conditioner for me depends on how my hair feels or on what I did last time. If I used a protein conditioner, the next time I'll use a hydrating conditioner, and the other way around. So this time I think I'm going to use a hydrating conditioner because my hair was feeling a little bit dry. And please don't put your fingers in there because my products are natural products, and it's not good to put wet hands in any product, as you might cause bacterial growth in there. So I just pour it in there, and yeah, I can just pour more if I need more, but I don't put my fingers in there. Again, I put my hair into braids so I can go and do the deep conditioning. I have already added the deep conditioner, and then I put the hair in braids so it doesn't tangle while I'm deep conditioning. Then I add on a plastic cup. If you don't have a plastic cup like this, you can just use any of those plastic bags you have in the house. So this helps with the deep conditioning. And sometimes I add two. I add this one and then I add an extra. And then I have this deep conditioning cup thing I got many years ago when I became natural. You can buy these online and you heat it in the microwave. There's instructions, and this helps with deep conditioning. All hair needs warmth for better deep conditioning, so this is what I use. So next step is moisturizing, and this part I don't put in a lot of things in my hair. I have learned that less in my hair is better. But I think, guys, I'm going to make a sit-down video where I tell you everything about my products and what you should choose and what you should spend money on and what you shouldn't. So I think I'm going to do a video, and leave in the comments if you want me to do that kind of video where I talk about products I use. After putting my hair in braids, I moisturized my face. As you can see, it was very dry during the process. Now it's nicely moisturized, and the braids, they look okay. I can already know how my hair is gonna look like while it's wet, but now I use the same products. I'm not trying out new products, so I always know how my hair is gonna come out. But when I try new products, I can already tell if my hair is gonna look good or not by the way it feels when it's wet. I sometimes leave these braids in for maybe 3 days or so because I have to work and I don't take my hair out. But sometimes the next day, I think the best thing is to do maybe the day after or 2 days later, take out the braids and spray them with a little bit of water and pack them again, and take the hair out when you feel like taking it out. This is what I do because most of the time my hair is in wraps, so this is what works for me. I cannot tell what you should do if you're going to have your hair out every day. I don't have my hair out every day, so this must be maybe 3 days later. I don't know. I was going to film and I had to take my hair out, but if I'm not doing anything, my hair is mostly under a scarf and a wrap. I think one of my followers said if she had hair like mine, she'll be wearing it out. And I would say if you had hair like mine and you are wearing it out every day, you would not have hair like mine, because there's a lot of pulling and brushing and all that. My hair is like this because I leave it alone. I leave my hair most of the time. I leave it alone, and I don't have the need to have my hair out all the time because I love my head wraps. Those days when I'm going to wear my hair out, I make sure I have time to comb my hair gently. I cannot rush it. I cannot do it so quickly because I can see my hair breaking. And how do I know it? I see the hair on the floor. So the days when I have to wear my hair out, I have to have time to take it out slowly and comb it very, very gently. I take my time because otherwise I would not have a long hair like this. Before I go to bed again, I have to put my hair back in braids, and that's why I don't wear my hair out every day, because every evening I would have to put it back in braids. So you have to have a man that is okay seeing you ugly in braids every evening. My yarn is fine with that, so that's what I do. And I understand why some women think natural hair is very difficult, but it works out for me. And yeah, I hope you enjoy the video, guys, and I'll try to do another video where I talk deeper about the products I use. So thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos like this. Bye.